Hi, I'm Jamie with The Saving Secret, where I help you become more intentional with your money. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. So as you notice today, I'm not in front of the whiteboard. I'm actually at home on my computer. And I wanted to go over a tool that I built that I think is very helpful to help people figure out exactly how much money do they need to take out of in taxes in order to prepare for filing taxes. So I did a video on this a couple months back that talked about the Saving Secret Tax Tool 2019. And so that tool is very helpful if you already have your W-2 and you're ready to do your taxes. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. There's a link to the tool in that video. So I would encourage you to check it out if you're going to do your 2019 taxes. This video will really help you for 2020 to fill out what you need on your W-4 to make sure you're withholding the correct amount so you don't have a huge tax refund and you're not you don't owe a lot either. So just a little bit of history on my tax tool for 2019. In getting my W-2 this year, I hit what I call unicorn status, which was I got to a point where I withheld enough in taxes using my W-4 that I will not owe any additional and I will not receive a refund. So I really hit the perfect spot, and this is the tool that I used to kind of share. And so again, this is what I built for 2019, but this tool that I'm sharing with you is what you could use for 2020. So as you prepare for next year's taxes and what you want to use for your W-4 withholding information. So I'm going to go through this tool. I have the link to the tool that you can download yourself and follow along. Please click in the show notes below. It'll be down there where you can review it. But let's go ahead and click on that. So once you click on that link, you'll download it, you'll be brought to this spot. And so if you look at it, there's a lot of different tabs over here, but I wanted to give you this is just a little bit of intro. The first one will be literally a little bit about the saving secret. This is a link to the old video that I did in 2019. That's great for taxes. But so where you're going to want to start is on your pay stub. So for the W-4 tool to work, basically you need a most recent pay stub. And what you're going to do is you go ahead and get your pay stub information, and you're going to fill out a couple of key pieces of information. So what you're going to need is kind of your income information, what you've made year to date, and what you've paid per pay period. And you really need to figure out how many more pay periods do you have left, whether you're paid bi-weekly, monthly, twice a month, whatever it is. How many pay periods do you have left? Because the formulas are all based off what you make. So take a pay stub and fill out the information that you have. What this is doing is to figure out what your AGI is, what your adjusted gross income. That's the information that you actually do get on your W-2 form, but you can't really, this is a tool that will help you figure out exactly what it is. These items over here, medical insurance, dental, vision, 401k, HSA, these are items that reduce your AGI, and then there's other items that don't reduce your AGI that are on here, specifically which ones are and don't count. You'll have to look up, but these ones that I have listed definitely reduce your AGI, so you're welcome to use these. So punch in your pay stub information. Again, none of this information saved. You're downloading your own copy. I will not see any of this, your personal information. So then you go to your federal taxes tab, and what it'll do is it'll populate what your pay stub information is right here. And if you have any other income that you can kind of expect to earn, you could fill it in over here, whether it's another W-2, interest, whether you sell stock, whatever it might be, you can include your income here. If you are going to do itemized deductions, there's some spots over here where you can put in your itemized deductions. Over here is the current tax table, current tax information. So you can take a look at where that'll be. If you have different kids, you can punch in what your tax credits will be for that. So how many kids do you have? And it'll punch in the tax credits. And so from here, it'll give you how much additional you need to withhold from your pay stub. So once you figure that information out, it may be, if it's a negative number, that means that you're already holding too much back. So you'll need to increase how much exemptions you'll take credit for. Once you get to a spot where you could do this for the first week, and if this is a negative number, go ahead and update your exemptions and increase the number that you have. Then you'll get to a number that'll say what your additional need is. And on then your W-4 form, you're actually able to say how much extra you'd like to take pay from your pay period. So once you laser that number in, you can get to however many deductions that'll get you to where you owe a little bit, and then you can reduce it by taking out the exact portion that you need. So again, this is a great tool that'll help you learn a little bit about taxes, but it'll also let you know what you need for your W-4 information. Also, as a neat side information, if you go to the first here, there's also the Irs Calculator. So you can click on that and it'll launch you to the government website that you're welcome to use to figure out. It's the same information, except for it's more of a question base. It kind of looks more like you would see on a TurboTax document or something like that. This, I like to see it because it's just, you plug in the numbers and you get exactly what you're gonna owe. So I hope this information was helpful. Again, just a little bit about myself. I actually used this tool for 2019 in that video that I shared earlier, and it turns out that I had enough taken out where I didn't owe anything and I wasn't getting a refund of any kind. So I kind of hit the unicorn status, as I like to call it, where I actually owed zero additional and I didn't get a refund back. So this tool has helped me out. I know it can help you out, so feel free to download it, check it out. If you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. If you have any other thoughts or things of how I can help, please feel free to let me know those. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.